What if you could create a professional video with a lifelike human presenter in just minutes without ever picking up a camera or hiring a crew? Welcome to 2026, where AI video is changing the game, and today we are looking at HeyGen. Whether you need to make marketing videos, tutorials, or social media content, HeyGen claims to turn your ideas into high-quality videos using just text. Let's talk about how it actually works. You start by heading over to heygen.com. Instead of dealing with complicated timeline tracks, HeyGen uses a text-based editor called AI Studio. This means editing your video is literally as simple as typing and editing a document. You can input a script, an image, a presentation, or even a PDF, and the AI handles the rest. One of the standout features is their brand new AI Avatar V, which they called their most lifelike avatar ever made. These hyper-realistic avatars bring portraits to life with natural facial expressions and precise lip syncing. If you want to customize things, you can use the photo-to-video tool to transform any headshot or historical figure into an engaging spokesperson. Plus, if you need to reach a global audience, HeyGen features an AI video translator. It can dub your content into over 175 languages and dialects, using voice cloning to keep your original voice and automatically syncing the avatar's lips to the new language. Now, when it comes to user feedback, we want to be completely transparent. We don't have a database of external user reviews or third-party complaints to share with you today. However, looking at the features, the obvious pros are the sheer speed of production, allowing you to generate 1080p or even 4K cinematic videos end-to-end, and the elimination of expensive video gear. On the flip side, because it is a highly automated, template-driven cloud platform, creators looking for ultra-advanced manual pixel-by-pixel editing control might find the text-based workflow a bit different than traditional video editing software. Overall, if you want to scale your video production, create training materials, or launch product ads in minutes, HeyGen is incredibly powerful. You can get started for free on their website to test out the avatars for yourself. What do you think? Would you use an AI avatar to present your next video? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.